Introducing Do-It-Yourself 10-second flavor pairing trick for female weight loss. Learn how one woman discovered the female fat loss code, missed by modern medicine, and lost 84 pounds using a simple 2-step ritual that 100% guarantees shocking daily weight loss. She ended up losing 19 pounds last month. She's tried everything from counting calories, counting points, gym memberships, pills, whatever she does. She loses 10 pounds and then gains back 12 pounds. The shocking news is that instead of gaining the weight back, she doubled her weight loss in the second month. Check out her 40 pounds lighter, plus how she did it, by clicking the link in the description below. She credits it all to this breakfast flavor pairing trick. The weird thing is that it only works for women, because it reconditions the 3 female fat loss hormones to eliminate any possibility of storing fat. Click the link in the description below for instructions and weight loss doubling success stories.